Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to run an A/B test using Thrive Optimize. Before going into details or into practice, let's see first what are the top 3 elements to test in a web page. The first and the top element to test is the headline. What you should test in a headline. The first thing to test in a headline is its copy. How to do it? Brainstorm multiple headlines and test the top 3. How to brainstorm multiple headlines using ChatGPT. Let's say that I'm creating for my I want to A/B test my home my blog home page. The homepage of my blog about nutrition. Give me multiple headlines to test. As you can see, ChatGPT came with more than 10 headlines to test. Discover the science of healthy eating, your ultimate nutrition guide. Transform your health with nutrition-rich recipes and expert tips. Unleash the power of nutritional wisdom. Let's help them with the goal of my home page is to get people to get leads in email. As you can see now, the goal is important to brainstorm your ideas. You should fix your goal of the page. For example, the contact page, the goal is to get people to contact you. For a sales page goal, the goal of the sales page is to get sales. You should fix your goal of the page, and the goal should be one goal per page. As you can see, with a fixed page goal, we got good headline ideas. Unlock exclusive nutrition secrets. Sign up to receive expert tips and recipes. Get insider access to nutrition tips and join to our newsletter. Supercharge fuel inbox. Sign up. Become a health insider. Stay ahead of the game. This one, this headlines for me is good to test. Discover the path to optimal health. This one is also good for me. Just an opinion. Your nutritional journey starts here. Continue self-test. These 4 titles are good for me. As you can see, I brainstorm multiple and test 3 or 4 of them. The second step of testing the headline elements is testing the headline size, the text size. Test the same headline text, its text size, large versus medium versus small. The third thing to test in the headline elements is the color. Test colors. And all your chosen colors should be easy to see with the background. That's all of what you can test in a headline. The second element, or the second top element, is the call to action. Your call to action testing relies not only on the button text, color, shape, etc. Your call to actions consists of the headline, info below it, the button, and the area surrounding the button. What to test in a call to action is the button copy. for example, or not for example because I didn't prepare for it, but the copy your okay, let's ask ChatGPT for the call to time to the subscribe now for nutritional tips and updates. Get started today. As you can see, we got a lots of button copy ideas. Color contrast. On a black background, test white color, the white button color, and things like that. For the placement of the call to action, for the placement you can test if the button will convert well with if it's placed on in the center or the left or the right or above the fold or below the fold. Yes, above the fold. The third element to test is the page copy or the page length. Test between a long page with all the convincing copy you came with against a shorter version of the same page with the elements like just the headline, benefit, testimonials, pricing, and guarantees. Against a third version of the same page with but it's very short. You can include just the headline, a bit of copy, and a call to action and testimonials. This if the traffic is trusting you, you can skip this testimonials. All this depends on the traffic. Okay, I got an idea. Stages of awareness. As you can see, if the stage, if your traffic is unaware of its problem, your copy will be different from someone is aware of the problem, aware of the solution, aware but not aware of your products. The copy will differentiate a lot. So when you are testing for this very short version of the same page, it can be a home page, a sales page, a checkout page. Think of what is the awareness of your traffic, because this will help you a lot. What to include in your very short version, it will depend on the stage of your cast or your traffic. I hope you get the idea. As you can see, now we know about the top 3 elements to test in our page. How to test this using Thrive Optimize. Okay, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to install it, of course, install the Thrive Optimize and Thrive Architect plugins, and go and create a new page. Okay, let's name it sales page. It's published, then click on Launch Thrive Architects to build the page first. And from this Thrive Architect, you can start the A/B test. Rebuild. Okay. For the headline, as we can say, we can test copy, for example, refer to last for headline ideas. Okay, let's put it. This is the first to test the copy. We know how to do it. It's simple. Just test the size, you can go to font size, and you can make it small. Let's say we want to just test the headline copy. The first version should be like that. First one, save word. After saving the word, I will mention to the word to be saved or change that to save it. Go to A/B test and create a new variation. A/B test. Copy your second headline idea. Create this page. Choose the same template. Save the mark. Let me see if I can go to the same place. This one here. Add a new variation. Click on edit. Past. Take. Hit save. As you can see, now we created a 3 different variation testing the headline copy. Okay. Now to test the headline size, just okay. Let me finish the first test, A/B test. Okay. Click on test dashboard. As you can see, each variation will, first one will get 34% of traffic. Traffic is split evenly for each. This page, let me see. Distribute traffic evenly. I don't know why the template of this variation is different from this one. But it's not a problem for us. Okay. The important step is to hit setup and start A/B test. Give this split test a name, for example, sales page, title, short description. This okay, let me click on the for this, you should be very clear in what are the differences. Why? Because A/B tests take time, and with time, you tend to forget what you set as difference or the page difference. For you should be very clear in writing these details. Okay, I don't want to make automatic owner settings. I want to choose it manually. Hit next, then choose how to set the goal of the test. For example, you can make it based on revenue, visit goal page, or subscription. I tend to prefer visit goal page. For example, sales page, the goal page, it can be the checkout page, but I prefer to the payment confirmation, to create a page This page is not created. I can hit create new page. You can preview it from here to edit it with type architect, or start your A/B test. and hit update to make sure that everything is as you now your traffic, let's say we get 100 or 100 page visitor for this sales page. 34% of the traffic will see the first variation, 33% will see the variation 2, and 33% will see the variation 3 without any automatically. 2, as you can see, now we just tested the headline copy. Okay, before I move to the second test, let me show you how to declare or choose your winner variation. Head to the WordPress dashboard, go to Drive Optimize, and now you will see you're running A/B test listed here. The on-page test goal, unique visitors. It's the more unique visitors your page get, the best your test or your chosen winner will be. The more the more visitors, it's the better for A/B testing. And you will see the conversions. Okay, let's go into details. This is the page where you see a conversion rate and graphs, and from here you can stop, test, and choose winner. To give you an example of a useful graph, this is an old, this is a 5 year old niche blog or affiliate blog that I have tested. I have tested. These are all tested. I created on this site. Okay, let's see a running A/B test or how it looks like. This is the report page after you get some data. As you can see, this is the variation. This is how much subscriptions I got. Or subscription rate is the more accurate. As you can see, the 34, 33 subscription rate variation all are stopped. Now I'm testing between these two variations. This is an opt-in page for an ebook that I'm running Facebook ads for. Yes, I'm running Facebook ads for. It's okay. That's as you can see, I'm stopping this variation just in the previous one, and I still have this between these two green and green variations. Okay. To stop running A/B tests, hit this green button. Go to conversion rate. See the higher conversion rate and set it as a winner. Now all the page visitors or traffic will see the winner variation only. Okay. Now that we tested the headline copy, we can move to test the same headline or the winner variation headline size variation. Then we can go to test the color. After that, we move to the call to action and test every aspect of it, and we can go to test the whole page with our winner headline, winner call to actions, but with varied page length or page copy. That's all That's all of how to set an A/B test using Thrive Optimizer. As you can see, the process is simple. If you still, if you have some questions, let me know in the comments below, or hit me in my from the contact page for in my blog, bensexperience.com. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.